Okay, fractional indices now. Now again, there are some few formulas you need to memorize them. Okay, first one, a to the power of half is equal to the same as we say square root of a. Okay, now a to the power of 1/3 is cubic root. Okay, so memorize them. And then what happens a to the power of 1 over n? It is nth root. Okay, so just see the pattern and try to memorize them. Now this is the important one. Whatever that you got a fractional index, the power, now try to find it, it's separated into two terms. So m times 1 over n. I will separate it like this because this 1 over n, we can use this part. Okay, so try to make it a 1 over nth so that you can use this. We will use this one more likely, so I'll just tick that off. Now let's have a look at this. M over n I separated into m times 1 over n. Now remember to put 1 over nth on the outside. I know you can do it this way and this way, other way, but I think it's more makes sense and easier if we can use this way. So from here on, I'm going to use this. So 1 over nth goes outside of brackets, the power. So the whatever in the numerator goes inside. Okay, so remember that. Let's start the question. Okay, so evaluate means I want the answer. Okay, I don't want expression, I just want the answer, the number. Okay, value. So 27 to power 2 over 3 is a power. Okay, 2 over 3. Now how am I going to do this? Now you need to know 27 is a cubic number of 3, yeah? So I'm going to go 3 to power 3, 2 over 3. That will really helpful if you can remember, you know, a few things like cube of like a 2 to the power of 3 is 8, you know, that sort of thing. So you need to remember those basics. And if I do that, it'll be 3 and a 3 times the power to power. You times the powers together, and it'll be 3 to the power of 2. The answer is 9. Now, of course, if you can use a calculator, it'll be great. But if it's a non-calculator section that you have to do, like a test or something like that, it'll be good to have this skill, understanding. Okay, let's have a look at this. Now, what is this? Before I'm dealing with the negative power, I'm going to go do something about 8. My 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And I'll go 2, 3 times 1 over 3. That will give me, because the 3 times 1/3 is 1. So here is negative 1. So it'll be 1 over 2. Okay, that's not too bad. Next one, C. Okay, so I've got too many questions all at once. Now, here, what do we do here? Again, I'm going to change this one. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 minus. Now, I know you might think, oh, 16 is missed. It's a 4 to the power of 2. Yes, you can do that, but I'm trying to make it in the base as a small base as possible. Okay, so I'm going to do this one now. So it'll be 2 to the power of 4 times minus 3 over 4. Then cancel 1 over 2 to the power of 3, remember? And the negative becomes 1 over. So the answer is 1 over 8. Now here, I'm just going to quickly show you something. Now, if you don't know, and you want to know the power of this, 16 is an even, so you can sort of guess your base will be 2 or 4 or something like, but I'm going to stick with a 2 because we want to do base. You can use a log. Okay, so log 16, whatever you got there, and log of the base, I'm choosing 2 here. It'll give you power. So I'm looking for 2 to something power here. Okay, so if you just use a calculator, just put it in your log, in the fraction form, log 16, log 2, you will get power of 3. I mean, sorry, 4. You'll get 4. Okay, that means 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, just a quick shortcut there. All right, question 2. Write each expression using a fractional index. We don't want any values. We want the expression as our answer, and we want it, the power to be fractional index. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Oh, that's easy. A to the power of 7 by square root, it'll be half. So a to the power of 7 over 2, because it's what? 7 times half is 7 over 2. Okay. Now this one, I'm going to change b to the power of 5. Now this, guys, is something of a power of 6. Okay, so I'm going to put power of 6 there. So then my answer will be 5 over 6. Okay, and next one. All right, I'm going to deal with one at a time on the bottom first. So 1 over c to the power of 3. Now remember, this is the power of 1 over 5. So then my answer will be c to the power of 3 over 5. And because 1 over something means negative power, so my answer is that. Now this one, I'm going to go 16 m squared 3 to the power of 1 over 4. I just dealt with that part. Okay, that's 1 over 4. Now, before I do anything, I'm going to change it to 16 to index form. That's a 2 to the power of 4, yeah? 3, 1 over 4. So, let's share this power first. 2 to the power of 12, m to the power of 6, and then 1 over 4. Okay, so it'll be 12 times 1 over 4, 2 to the power of 3, m, you times it, it'll get 6 over 4, which is 8, m to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so that's my answer. Excellent. All right, next. Question 3. Simplify each expression. Okie dokie. So let's have a look. Now 216. X power of 6. Da 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 da. I'm going to change this one into non-negative power. So it'll be 1 over 216. Okay, simple. And power of whatever it is with a base 1 is just 1. So I don't have to worry about that part. Now remember, what's the power of things? So I'm going to go log 216 over log. Now we need to think about this. What base we're going to use? This is like even number, so I'm going to use, but then it's got 6 at the end. So I'm going to go, I've got 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm going to try that. So in here, I'm going to put 2 there. If I can get the whole integer, then it's the right base. If it's not, try 3, try 4, try 6. And if I did that, I will get 6 to the power of 3. That is the correct base. Okay, just use your calculator and try that out. X to the power of 6 and 2 over 3. So I'm going to have 6, 3x, 2 over 3. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to go 1, 6 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3, x power of 6 times 2 over 3. And what do I get? I'm going to do it here. So I'll cancel 6 to the power of 2, x to the power of 4. So my answer will be 6 times 6, 36, x to the power of 4. All right, so that's my answer. Okay, going to part B here. All right, let's deal with this first. I'm going to change this one. That'll be 1 over 4. 2. Okay, I'll just change this root part into 1 over 4 power. All right, so and then what do? I will deal with power. So 2 share the here and share here times 2. So what do I get? I will get 81 squared. Okay, and I know you were thinking, okay, that's, oh sorry, half. So 81 is a 9 times 9, obviously, but it's a square, so I'm going to go 81, or you could actually do 9 squared here already. Let's do that, 9 squared. 9 squared, because 81 is 9 squared, it's a square number, easy. Now you times it, 9, 2 times half, x 12 times half. I will get 9 here, x to the power of 6, half of 12. So that's my answer. Okay. Next one. 49. Okay, you can see it's a 7 square, so let's get rid of that thing. 4y10. So you times it, you will get 7 cubed. You times it, 6. You times it together, 5, 3, 15. 7 to the power of 3, 343, x power of 6, y to the power of 15. Excellent. All right, last one. Now, we got that negative, so I'm going to change that to negative, to 1 over. While I'm doing it, I'm going to just tie it up with this. 2 over 3. Okay, so expand this one, bit 2, x to the power of, times it's 4, when you time this together, 6. So my answer will be 100, x power 4, 6. Now, I did it in my head quickly each time, okay, like this, timesing it, and I got this. But if you're having a little bit of a difficulty to do that in your head, make sure you just, spend a bit time to calculate it properly. All right, so that's it. Well done, people.